Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites: the game build, editor, and file access. Open the Berry Avenue asset folder now and make a duplicate copy for safety. Once done, enable file extensions so you can see mesh or FBX entries. This prevents mistaken edits. Make sure your editor is set to read meshes as separate objects, because baby mesh faces often appear as separate child meshes. This prepares you to inspect geometry without altering the live project. You now open the duplicated asset in your 3D editor and isolate the Berry baby mesh. Switch to wireframe and face selection so you can see hidden polygons. This reveals stray faces quickly. Then toggle vertex normals and look for inverted or duplicated normals. These cause visual glitches. Use overlap or non-manifold detection tools to flag faces that share exactly the same vertices. Once identified, mark them for removal or merging. This prevents flicker and lighting artifacts later on. You finish by removing or merging the baby mesh faces you flagged, then recalculate normals to ensure consistent shading. After edits, apply transforms and export with the correct format and scale so the engine imports geometry precisely. Re-import into your game and test across lighting conditions and camera angles. If you still see artifacts, check for duplicated materials or LOD overrides. One key troubleshooting tip: recheck for a duplicate mesh instance in the scene hierarchy, because
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.